Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines brought to you by Options Legion.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook brought to you by Options Legion. Joining me today is Greg from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Greg?
The Aussie dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw Twitter shares drop 0.9%. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The dollar fell 0.3% against the yen in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro held at a one-month high against the dollar after rallying on hopes the war in Ukraine might enter a new de-escalating phase, while tumbling oil prices weighed on commodity currencies and the yen resumed its slide. Amazon has gone 27 years without a union in the United States. Now it's about to find out whether workers at two warehouses have voted to unionize. Gold was headed for its biggest quarterly gains since the coronavirus pandemic-led surge in mid-2020, as concerns over soaring consumer prices and the Ukraine crisis bolstered bullion's safe haven appeal. The UK's market manufacturing PMI will be released at 0830 GMT, the US ISM manufacturing PMI at 1400 GMT, the Dutch market manufacturing PMI at 0700 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT, the Eurozone's HICP at 0900 GMT, Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here at Options Legion, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.